right, so let's look at number 4. We're working from number 4 and beyond. I'm gonna work them all out with you because for homework you are on your own, okay? So number 4, the first step is what, Tanner? That I gave y'all. No, not that part. Solution steps. Substitution steps, I meant to say. Hold that thought, Tanner. Isabella, what you got?
You have
First
to
step is
solve one equation for a variable.
solve one of the equations for a variable. Looking at these, can we say that we have a variable by itself for at least one of the equations?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we have y equals, right?
Yeah.
So,
And just like a straight X, right?
no, we're not straight x. Because it's x plus 10. It's the
Sorry,
negative
73.
sign. So, always look for this. Step 1, you might not necessarily have to do, okay? Because of the fact that it might already be done. Not going to happen all the time, but sometimes it does happen for you, okay? So, step 2 is what, Embry? Sub the first equation into the second equation. Now, I know this is going to look crazy to y'all, but TTP, trust the process. I'm subbing, and I need a dark color. I'm subbing this into this, meaning it should read x plus 10 is equal to 3x. Y is equal to both of them, so I can make them equal to each other. That makes sense?
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh, so like wait,
No.
x equals y plus 10
So
equals
Y is X
Correct.
plus 10.
Huh?
So Y is X.
Y is x plus 10, but y is also 3x, so we can make them equal to each other.
wait, why?
It disappeared. This is what substitution is. That's how we get the substitution method.
So there is no y?
Emily, you want to explain? I'm going to come back to your answer.
Oh, wait, this makes sense.
So basically, like,
Go ahead.
the first problem, you just ignore like the y equals part and just put it right in front of the equal sign of 3x and take away the y. Just
Yes.
take away both y's.
Yes. Hold that thought. Answer. Ask me a question first.
It would be like Y equals X over
I'll do the exact same thing.
Yeah, it's a
Grayson,
Couldn't you go from y to 3x above?
what you mean?
Like you know you went down?
Mm-hmm.
Why couldn't you go up?
I could have went up too.
So what would it be then? 3x?
The same thing. 3x equals x plus 10. Same thing. So my next step, number 3, says what?
solve the second equation for the remaining variable.
So this is our second equation. What is our remaining variable, Mari, that you better move? Answer my question. Uh-huh. This is a real easy question.
What was the question?
I said, what is the remaining variable in our equation?
Oh.
Shh. I want Amari to answer. Answer loud, Amari. As loud as you talking, you say stinky. Because they're waiting on you to say the answer. Thank you. Good job. Did y'all realize x was the remaining variable?
Yeah.
Are there any other variables there?
No.
No. So just like we did for our fluency, now we have to solve for x. That's step 4, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So my first step would be what? What'd you say, Ivy? I'ma subtract x. This cancels and 10 is equal to 2x. What's your x, Kara? Okay. My next step would be what, Angel? Divide by?
2.
By 2. Because we're trying to get x by itself. So I'm going to divide by 2. And x is equal to what now?
5.
Perfect.
Yeah. Can you remember it the other way too?
Yes.
Yeah, I said 5 equals x.
That's fine too. I just like to see my variable first. That's just how I'll always read it. That's nothing is different. 5 equals x is fine. Or graphing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you I was gonna like substitution and elimination. Y'all gonna really like elimination.
Yay.
So now that we have this, what does the next step say? Somebody read from behind. Read it for me because you quiet. And read it loud. Number 4. Step 4. That's in your notes I just gave y'all.
I'll read it.
Hush. Amari.
Substitute the new value into the first equation.
They told us to substitute the new value into the first equation. So now that we know x is equal to 5, I'm going to take this and sub it into for my x. So now I got y equals 5 plus 10. The next step says what? 5 Anna.
Wait, that's not the game.
Solve for what?
The remaining variable.
Solve for the remaining variable. What's our remaining variable? And then I'm going to answer your question, Grayson.
Why?
Our remaining variable is y. What's your x and Grayson?
Wait, why is that not the answer?
That's X.
That's x. But we got to find y. Our remaining variable is y. So y is equal to what, y'all?
15.
15.
Why?
5 plus 10 is 15.
Oh, I thought you was multiplying.
No. 5 plus 10. I just put it in the parentheses so you know that I got that from somewhere else. I substituted it in. Okay?
Wait,
Yes. Sydney, you was asking a question?
No.
Somebody asked me a question? Isabella?
I was just saying, so we would have to write it in.
I think I know what you're saying. Read number 6, Cameron. What's step 6?
We're still not done.
No, we're not. We have to write it as a coordinate, but then we're done.
What you said?
15.
Yes.
It says to write the values as a coordinate. X, Y. What's my X?
5.
What's my Y?
15.
And now this is my last box. Y'all should have 3 boxes on your paper every time we do substitution. You should have a box for X, you should have a box for Y, and you should have a box for the final answer. Confusing.
It's too many steps.
No, it's not. It's easy.
These are the 2 different ways I check my
You still found 15? Emily, get it? Alright, so let's do number 5 together. Can I erase?
Uh-huh.
We're doing number 5. First step is what?
Solve the equation. For the variable.
Do we have to solve for a variable?
No.
Yeah, no.
No. Can we just make them equal to each other?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we got y equals something and y equals something. Even though it's backwards, it's still the same thing.
It was
So,
like that on the last one.
huh?
It was like that on the last one.
Yeah, and we made it equal to each other.
So we don't solve it, we just leave it like that?
We haven't written anything, Grayson. What you mean?
So if it was like something plus y equals -3,
Then we have to solve it out.
okay, so there's that for? Did it change?
Yes. Or you can solve for x, and that's why I just say variable. I don't say what variable, because it might be easier for you to find x instead of finding y. So 1/2 x minus 12 equals to 2x minus 3. I want everybody to solve this on your paper by yourself.
What?
Do this
let's
first
go
step by yourself. Solve for the remaining variable, which is what? X. You're solving for x.
Dookie on my shoe. Dookie on my shoe.
Gonna add 3. That's what you're saying.
I don't know where I'm supposed to do.
Yeah.
Understand what
I think it'll be done above your bridge.
Yeah.
Is that my
You can go get 2 and 1/2.
Drop it like
It's hot.
You can get 1 and 1/2. Right? Oh, it's at 1 and 1/2. That's a 2. You're not getting 2 and 1/2. If you do 1/2 minus 2. Minus 2.
Bro, what are you doing?
oh the video.
Keep it as a fraction.
Bro, no one wants.
You can put it as a decimal. It's still gonna come out to the same thing.
No one wants to see that. Sit there.
I'm coming, Embry. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Grayson.
I also have a question.
Yeah, so what you mean? What's up, Cameron?
Hello, my name's Kevin
You
Davis.
missing some variables, huh, baby?
I don't know.
Hold that thought. So when you do 2 minus 1/2, you got 1/2. So 2 minus half. So you got $2, and I take 50 cents from you.
You
This
get
is
one
a
and
half
a
of a
half.
dollar.
That's 1.5.
Okay, now go and recalculate that.
Wait, Mr.
I'm
Mayor.
coming back, Kira.
Wait, 1 and 1/2 x equals 9.
Okay. Because you did subtract 2 on both sides. Make sure you run that.
And then 1 and 1/2.
Wait, well then how do I get this variable out?
What's 9 divided by 1?
You gotta keep going.
Hello.
You still gotta move the 3 away from it and then do the rest of the stuff.
How do I do the thing?
It's a negative 3, so you gon'
What's the?
okay. What you got, Kira?
Did I do that right? Hey, Mr. Nate, what's the
What
negative?
you did?
plus positive?
I'm sorry.
Just take it.
Negative plus positive.
Yes, it is.
You can't do that.
It's
So you have to
been
move the 12 first or move the 1/2.
It's been smelling funky since I got that right here.
Who called me? Sydney. Ooh, my bad, baby. Okay, so now what you gonna do if I'm trying to get x by itself? I got 2 x's on this side, so I have to do what? How I'ma come? Okay, how I'ma combine like terms? You gonna subtract 2x?
How is it the variable out now?
What's 9 divided by 1 and 1/2?
What you gonna do if I'm trying to get x by itself? No, no, no. Think about it, Avery.
Is this 8
Yes, you
1/2?
can.
Is this 7 1/2 or 8 1/2? What is it?
It did have X's on different sides. Do we divide?
Depending on what you weigh in. We're gonna subtract first. How you gonna get x by itself?
Subtract 1.5x.
Not
I
subtract.
mean add.
No. I'm going up there. What's up?
I don't think I did this right. I got this, and that doesn't equal it.
Yeah, you didn't get that. Okay.
Okay.
Hold that thought. My first step is what? I'm gonna add 12 on both sides. Okay, 1/2 x. Now this is just the steps that we are taking together. Y'all could have did other steps by yourselves. Like I tell y'all all the time, there are different ways to solve this problem. So 2x minus negative 3 plus 12 turns into
9.
plus 9. That's why you got a 15 on your paper. I was wondering. I was like, where did she get this 15 from?
It's because you would add
Plus
3.
9. Yeah, but she must have had a positive 3. So now what I'm gonna do? If I got 2 x's or 2 variables on separate sides, what does that turn into? I have to do what to combine like terms?
Combine.
I'm gonna do what?
Add.
I'm gonna subtract 2x. This turns into negative what? Negative what?
1 and 1/2.
1 and 1/2 x equals 9. 1/2 minus 2. If you got 50 cents, Kira, and I told you give me $2, can you give me $2? No, but that's gonna put you in the negatives if you did try and give me the $2 by $1.50. Cause all you had was 50 cents. You get it?
Yes.
Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do to get x by itself, which is where my poor baby was stuck at. How do you get? Okay, what you did?
Divide it.
I'ma divide. Look at that. And all y'all got calculators, so we ain't even about to go the long route. And x gives you
6. Or negative 6.
negative 6. So now that we have x is equal to negative 6, what am I gonna do with that? Read the next step. Yes, Answer. Hold on, hold that thought. What's up? Yeah. Look at you, Answer.
I got it right, but I did it so different.
Yeah.
And that's fine. That is fine.
I did it.
You did it the other way. And that's fine. That's how I would have did it. But since y'all told me add 12, I mean, I gotta go with what you told me.
Yes, that's what I did it. 1/2.
That's fine with me.
You could have did minus 1/2.
You could have. You could have subtracted 1/2 first. And then had 1.5 or...
That's what I did, but I thought I was wrong.
No, I told y'all there are multiple ways to solve these problems. We should all come out to the same exact answer. Anyway, so now that we have x is equal to negative 6, what do I have to do with that?
Fill in the X.
Do y.
Plug in or substitute the x for y. Whoever said it. I don't know who said it. So which equation am I going to use?
I don't know.
Y equals.
The first one, y'all could have used the second one, either two, either way.
Use the second one
Equals
is easy.
negative 6 minus 3. Or is that wrong?
Yeah, I don't know where you got that from. So which equation you want me to use?
Bottom one.
The bottom one? Y equals 2. My x is now negative 6 minus 3. So y equals 2 times negative 6 turns into
Negative 12.
negative 12 minus 3 turns into negative 15. And I'm going to just show y'all for my people who might have wanted to use the first equation. 1/2 times negative 6 minus 12 equals y. 1/2 times negative 6 is what?
Negative 3.
Negative 3 minus 12 gives me negative 15 regardless. Am I done?
You gotta put it into a front like a coordinate.
I have to write it as a coordinate.
6 negative.
So it's going to be negative 6, negative 15. And that's my answer. Y'all better go.
We are?
Yeah, y'all got 4 minutes left.
Okay.
Lord.
What's for homework?
No, but you want me to do number 6?
What
Y'all do
homework?
have homework. Page 81, questions 1 through 8.
She beat me first.
81. Page 81, questions 1 through 8. Can I erase?
This would be easy.
It actually is really easy.